Good morning, and here we go again. Welcome to your daily crypto news and analysis. I'm your host, the Crypto Duck, and this show is brought to you by BYBIT Exchange and the Diamond Hands Network. Both those links in the description, as always. So let's have a look at the markets. What do we have? Oh, it's a bit green today, isn't it? Bitcoin is sat on 23,015, which is up around about 1%. Yeah. I was watching 22,600 to be like the major resistance, but we've bounded past that, so I'm expecting a nice positive day and we should push upwards. My goal is still 28 to 30k, and I think we're set. Ethereum, it's a very similar story. We're sitting on 1643, which is again up nearly 1%, about 0.8. I was watching about 1640, 1650, so we're right on the cusp of breaking over the resistance on Ethereum. So again, fingers crossed, positive movement. BNB is sat on 330, which is up 1.1%. So they're your big three. It's been another fantastic 24 hours for the AI coins. AI mania is still very much happening. There's no real reason for this other than the sheer hype over AI at the minute. Check out the top AI video, which I'll stick up there for you. It goes through the main 5. Funnily enough, out of the ones I speak, 3 of them are, well, GRT, the graph is at 32.7% up today. Fetch AI is up another 25% today. Singularity Network, that's AGIX, is up 24% today. Monstrous. FractShare is also still going up. They've had a very successful 24 hours, another 27% up. It's just boom for them. Negatives, nothing really standing out majorly. Leo's down 6.4. XRD is down 5.9. No idea. So that's your markets. That's where we're looking to go. Fingers crossed for a nice green pumpy day. News. Cardano's ETH compatible sidechain has gone live for testing. It's not the first ETH based sidechain for Cardano, but it is the first in-house jobby. So good for them. This is quite interesting. Influencer has spotted a little pattern, and consequently rumours have run rife. This is regarding Visa and Ripple working together. He's noticed that Visa have either partnered with or acquired 4 of Ripple's major partners in recent years. EarthPoint had a worldwide partnership with Ripple, and Currency Cloud also partnered with Ripple for overseas transactions. They were both acquired by Visa. And Novarti and D-Money, who both got partnerships with Ripple, have also got partnerships with Visa. So there is that definite hint there that, things could work out for those. Ripple, it is still looking bearish on the charts, even though realistically it shouldn't be. It's one of those things. I like Ripple. I'm a fan of Ripple. I think it should be victorious, but we'll have to wait and see, I guess. Things that I don't like are shit coins like fucking the dog coins. Jesus fucking Christ. SHIB. SHIB's price has had a little dive. As of course as it dives, so does its burn rate. However, Dodge looks like it's going to break out. Now, if Dodge does break out, it is going to pull Dodge Chain to follow. Dodge is an absolutely pointless shitcoin, but it's risen from the dank depths of shit because of Elon Musk. Dodge Chain is a layer 2 for Dodge that basically gives Dodge a vague point of purpose, giving NFTs and DeFi and other niceties like that every chain should have written. But anyway, it doesn't matter. The point is, people love these shit coins and they trade on hype, and if Dodge continues to push, then Dodge Chain will be pulled up with it. Fuse Network, an interesting project, has launched a Web3 payment network. Now, Fuse Network is all about trying to make things mainstream. They're trying to design tools to make the job easier for your regular everyday folks and businesses rather than techies. Big future for them. Very, very pleased with what they're doing. MetaMask, also looking to the future, understands that the future is definitely multi-chain, and they're working on their MetaMask Snaps tool to allow them to support multiple chains. MetaMask is still probably the leading wallet company, I would say, despite many others fighting back up there. Walmart, it's filed for more trademarks, specifically sort of crypto, NFT, to a degree. I mean, essentially any blockchain. It's stuck trademarks in for any blockchain that they can think of. So that's another major real world pushing into crypto type areas. Dubai's latest regulatory requirements are now mandating licensing for crypto companies. That's not necessarily a bad thing. Brings them more under the law, I guess. DCG has sold Grayscale to try to raise funds. Also looking like they might be restructuring fully with the whole Genesis thing as well. UK government is going to publish its CBDC consult information probably tomorrow. It'll be worth looking at. Coins to watch out for pumping this week. XTP, it's got major news and an influx of new users, so should make it pump nicely. It does look on the charts like it's going to break out today, so fingers crossed on that front. Daffy's got big news this week, probably slightly later in the week, so fingers crossed they're going to go up. And Hex is another one to keep your eye on at the moment. I think it's got a lot of potential. Right, so there you go. That's your news. That's your bits and bobs. Whack subscribe. Whack me up on the socials. Have a chitty chat and catch you tomorrow.
All things crypto by a duck life. See you next time.